Hello guys, this is Abel once again, and for today's video, we're going to do another unboxing of this one. I just took it from 7-Eleven again, and uh, okay, let's unbox this one, and I'm going to show you what's inside. So, ito na siya. We're going to unbox it. So, wala na. Ito lang siya. This is paint color beauty bags. It's combination of some stuff inside, and let's try. We're going to open if it's good. Tada! Titingnan natin what's inside. Saan ba din ito? Maybe like that. Oh, see? It's a beauty product. I order online and see what's inside. So, it's going to try to check what's. So, we have this. It's the concealer cream. Oh, hindi ko alam paano kasi. Oh, siya. Oh, alam ko na. See, ito. Mamaya na rin. Very cute. And we have this one. We have this one. It's this. Like this. See, it goes with the box and like this. So it's cute. And oh, and we have this one, smooth light. It's like a powder. Maybe after you finish with this, like that. And we have this. What's this? Oh, it's an eyeliner. Try to put like this, like that. Oh, it's cute. And we have this. Oh, what's this one? Oh, it's a mascara. It's a mascara for good leg. Hindi ko nilagay. Yung parang ganyan lang. And we have this lipstick. Oh, it's the color like this. Try ko nga. What's the color? And we have this. That's one. Where's the dito? Oh, maybe for face like that. Like that. So, yun na nga, yung ating unboxing today. It's about beauty products. But, pero naka-lipstick ako ng hindi oras. So, this one box I ordered this for only 420 NT and it's worth it. Worth it naman kasi marami din siya. Pero hindi ka alam kung paano. Pero magagamit naman for pag lumalabas lang pero everyday is hindi. Kasi parang ano to, panglagay sa mukha. So, that's it for today's video. This is my new cosmetics. Panlagay sa mukha para try natin pag lumabas. Ito magagamit ka talaga to kasi dito at saka ito yung mascara and yung eyeliner hindi ako masyado marunong but I'm going to try to put it here. Hindi ako kasi masyado marunong pero okay guys, that's all for today's video. This is Sayabel once again and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and please hit that notification bell so that updated kayo every time I upload some video. Thank you for watching. Bye!